have a team member who is a terrific producer. He brings the results that no one can dare to get. He is a one-person army. But the problem is, he is poisonous to the organization. Whenever he is around, the organization feels demotivated, team members do not perform to their peak, and as an organization, you are struggling to bring the best results. Now, you have a choice to make. You have to confront him or you have to let him go. The biggest fear you are having is the results which he is bringing. If he quits, you will be in deep trouble. So you cannot think of letting him go. But if you do not confront him straight, the organization's performance cannot grow and overall team performance is falling down. Most of the leaders under these circumstances give up. They do not know what to do because they are in a typical situation where if I do this, I lose this. This was the situation of one of my clients who was having around 18 years of experience, and he was leading an organization of 25 people. And this person which I'm talking about, he was a top performer and he was creating problem for the organization. Now he said, Vijay, what do I do? I said, well, you have a choice to make. You have to confront him. He said, well, if I confront him, he may quit. And if he quits, who will take care of the results? I said, well, he need not quit if you know how to deliver the message. Now I was coaching him in the area of leadership and communication. So I started training him. I gave him a framework of confronting people without offending. The first thing what I trained him is understand different personality type and based on their personality type, give the feedback. So that was step number one. Now, in the training process, what I realized was this person was a direct personality. He was a top performer, he do straight, he goes and attack and he brings results. He was a top performer, direct personality. So, second thing, what is the need? What does he need? I mean, you're a top performer, what is he looking for? He's looking for significance. His need was for significance, recognition and power. I said, well, that is his need. So you have to apprise him of his needs without affecting the performance of others. That was the second thing. Third thing was make a list of things which he is doing really good. And when you start communicating, apprise him that you really respect him for the results which he is bringing. That was the third point. Fourth point I said, now when you know the results, also make a list of exact episodes in which he was not doing good as a team player and how it was impacting the organization's performance. If you won't take it personally, it will go as a criticism. But when you express the incident, in this incident, because of this behavior, this was the repercussion, this was the loss. Now this is not criticism, this is exactly helping him out understand to see the bigger picture. So then from that step, once you do that, then ask him his opinion. What is your take? Is my understanding correct? Is what I'm saying is how far it is true? Let him express his viewpoint. So when he started expressing his concern, this person expressed him, I was not aware. I never thought it is going like that. I thought these people are not interested. And there was a communication gap. He thought that people are trying to pull him down. And once you started showing him that this is not the case, in fact, things started changing. And the last thing was, express his value system. Show them that as an organization, these are our value system. We want teamwork. We want everybody to be united. We want to perform as a team. And explain to him that one person combined with a group of 20% can bring much more result as an organization. And once you saw that, things will change. And after the training, he started doing the same thing. He booked the appointment with that person. He called him up in the meeting room and he started discussing. You know what? After that meeting, he came to and said, Vijay, I cannot believe it. I confronted him and there was no fight. He was able to understand. And then, not only that much, I told him that do a follow-up meeting regularly for next 2 to 3 months so that things are in place. And he started bringing results as a team. Things started working. Now, if you are one of the performing leader right now and you find this sort of issues in your organization, let me tell you, do not suffer, do not suffocate. These are very easy to fix. It just takes little coaching and little mentorship because these are the things which can be fixed in an organization. And every organization has these issues. So it is not something which is happening to you alone. Take help, learn and grow. If my expertise can help you grow in this area, can help you become a better leader, I would love to collaborate in your growth journey. Drop me a message, let's have virtual coffee, let me understand the issue and let me help you out to unleash your full potential as a leader.